All. So let us discuss about the risks in import finance. So, so there are few risks which is there in the import finance. The main thing is that exchange rate fluctuation. We all know that the exchange rate fluctuates day by day, and political and country risks, credit risk, delay in shipment, and documentation errors. Credit risk. So credit risk, risks of importers failure to pay on time. So sometimes the importers may fail to pay the amount on time, and it occurs due to poor financial position, business losses, bankrupts. Bank may suffer financial losses, maybe in some cases. Exchange rate risk. So risk due to the fluctuation in foreign currency rate. So at the time of agreement, the rate might be different, but at the time of payment, it may fluctuate. Yeah, this is also type of risk. Importer may have to pay more if domestic currency depreciates. In case if the value of the currency goes down, so you have to pay in additional. So it is also a risk common in long-term credit importers. Yeah, it's a common term and it's a common risk. So not only in our nation, it is a common for all throughout the globe. Country risks. So in import and export, two countries are there. So definitely the policy may differ, the rules and regulations may differ. So it is a risk. Risk arises from political or economical instability. So we can't focus only on our country. So sometimes the opponent country's financial stability may go down. So the opponent country's political might have an issue. So these are all some of the excuses. So it includes a war or civil unrest, the government restrictions, import bans. So we can't judge very in advance. So sudden all of this sudden they can pass a policy and they can go for the import bans and even the government they can go for restrictions. All those things. Payment may be delayed or blocked. Interest rate risk. Risk due to changes in interest rates and affects import loans and buyer's credit. Increase in interest rate raises cost of import finance. Documentation risks. We all know that documentation plays a very big role. So even if there's a small mistake, so the entire trade might be stopped. So always it is a huge risk. Risk due to errors or mismatch in documents. So it is very important. Even if the spelling is wrong, even if there's a space between the names, so it is a mistakes. So example, incorrect invoice details, late submission of documents. So can be lead to delay in clearances, rejections by banks. Yeah, definitely if the product is not coming on time, so they can be rejected and clearances may delay. If the clearances delays, so the importer have to send the cargo, have to sell the cargo. It affects in the future. Transportation risks. Risks of loss or damages to goods during transits caused by accident, theft, natural calamities, usually covered by marine insurance. We all know that transportation is having a huge risk. The safer side is to insure our products. So even we know that nowadays no party is accepting the product or the cargo without an insurance. Compliance risks. Risks of non-compliance with import regulations, customs rules, foreign exchange laws. It may result in penalties or legal actions. Operational risks. Risk arises from internal failures. So let us see what are the internal failures. It includes system errors, sometimes it happens, human mistakes, and poor coordination. So these are all some of the major criteria which creates an issue, or it creates a risk in internal. It affects smooth processing of input finance. So when there is a mistake, when there is no coordination, definitely it affects each and everything.